Get ready, PlayStation fans, because Sony is turning up the heat with its State of Play Japan 2025. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your help of the latest tech news. The State of Play Japan is a blockbuster showcase of PS5 games straight from the heart of Japan and Asia. The live broadcast has shown a spotlight on both beloved franchises and bold new indie titles, giving gamers a rare peek into the hottest upcoming releases. Hosted by voice actor Yuki Kaji, the show displayed exclusive interviews, fresh gameplay footage, and thrilling updates that could redefine what you expect from your PS5. Sony has teased that fans can expect not just eye-catching visuals, but also Japanese audio with English subtitles, making the experience immersive for everyone tuning in. While Sony's keeping some surprises under wraps, rumors are swirling about the heavy hitters we might see. Fans are holding their breath for updates on Kingdom Hearts 4, the long-awaited Final Fantasy 17, and Final Fantasy 7 Remake Trilogy, as well as a brand new Nier game. But that's not all. Iconic titles like Spider-Man 3, Persona 6, Astro Bot DLC, and even Monster Hunter can make appearances, alongside the action-packed 4 vs 4 fighting game Marvel Tokon Fighting Souls. DLC expansions for fan favorites such as Ghost of Yoti and the strategy game Tides of Annihilation may also drop major news. Sony's State of Play Japan isn't just another gaming livestream, it's a glimpse into the future of PS5. Whether you're a fan of fast-paced fighters or quirky indie adventures, this presentation promises something for everyone. State of Play is a full-throttle showcase of the games that will dominate your PS5 in the coming year. Which title are you most excited to play? Let us know in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.